Hey guys, this is your girl Bossy, and on my channel I talk about how to grow as a content creator. Also, if you're in adult entertainment and you want to promote your OF page, things like that. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to use Snapchat to grow and why Snapchat is essential and why you also need to have a paid account and a free account. So let's get into the tutorial, okay? And if you're watching this video, it's a link to my IG where you can find the full video, okay? And it's a tutorial. So come see me, boo. Okay, so you can see how on Snapchat I got like almost 5,000 followers, profile views, and you can see at the bottom like my public posts, they be getting lots of views. So what you want to do on Snapchat, because now they have like quick ad and all that stuff, add everybody. They be sending me like 100 followers a day and I accept them all. Okay, so after you get a lot of your followers and you start building up your Snapchat, what you want to do is have like generic, easy, maybe quirky, funny, or very pretty public posts that are PG-13, that are not going to get you banned. You can also hint that there's more stuff to see on your friends only story, and then only post like anything slightly suggestive or anything about your OF pages or anything like that. Only post that to your friends. Respond to everybody with your link on there, because if you start trying to post that shit publicly, they are going to delete you. Okay, they're gonna delete you, they're gonna ban you, you're gonna get nowhere. So check the links in the description. Follow me everywhere, guys, girls. Both of you guys can follow the free page. And that's really it for this video. I just wanted to keep it short and sweet. Quick little tutorial. Leave comments below. They review videos as often as I can, because I'll be blowing up and I'm trying to continue to blow up. And I'm going to have way more than just how to grow your OnlyFans. There's going to be so much information on this page. I appreciate you for watching, listening, comment, like, share, and follow everywhere. Check the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Get your money, bae. Also, I wanted to say, especially if you're like a lady trying to get into the industry or wants companionship in the industry, wants promo, things like that, join my Patreon. It's only $3 for the lowest tier, and on the lowest tier, I'm gonna give you the game about everything that has to do with every part of being in the adult industry, paid companionship, so on and so forth. There's going to be exclusive everything, and at the lowest tier I try to give you guys the most. It's not because I'm trying to like make money off you guys, but to protect myself and to be able to give you guys the most raw, uncensored, real talk about this stuff. I have to go behind a paywall because people be after me. I get hate. So if you love me, consider doing that. TTYL. The links are in the description. I've made it easy for you to find me, so please check it out.